Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a free website on WordPress.com. First, open WordPress.com. This is the main interface you will see. Now click on Start with our free plan. After that, you need to enter your domain name and search for it. For example, I am using Marketing Freelancer. Once you search, WordPress will show you the available domain options. From there, simply choose the free option and click on Start Free. The best part is, this process is completely free, so you can create your website without paying anything. Now, WordPress will take you to the next page where we can start building the website. The first step is to set your site title. Here, click on the Site Title section and enter your website name. For example, I'm adding Marketing Freelancer as my site title. On the left side, you will also see different dashboard options like Home, Settings, Dashboard, and more. After entering your site name, scroll down and click on Save. That's it. Step 1 is completed and your site name has been updated successfully. Next, we move to the Site Design and Editing section. Click on the site and open the Editing page. Here, you will see the interface where you can start customizing your website. Now, you can add your website content. For example, if your website is about digital marketing freelance services, you can write about the services you offer, the type of work you do, your business information, or anything you want to show on your website. You can also edit text, add sections, and customize the layout based on your needs. In this example, I'm adding digital marketing, freelance services, and other business-related details. You can type your own content, make changes, and arrange everything properly. Once your editing is done, click on Save again to update your website. You may also see extra options like mobile app access, post sharing, and social media features, which can help you manage your site easily. Now, the final step is to launch your website. Simply click on Launch Site. And that's it!